Breakers.tv, Breakers.tv. We have 5 boxes of playbook. Thank you for everybody that helped fill it out, and for the people that bought in since the beginning. Good luck to everybody. $5 break credit to the first auto. If somebody could guess the first auto, $5 break credit. So start guessing while I'm opening. If you want to participate in the room. GLA Hackley, who's that? All right, last chance. Guess the first auto. If you're in the break or you're not in the break, it don't matter. If you're here, you're here. Oh, we doing football, dog. We doing football. You gotta guess a player, not a team. All right, last chance. Anybody in the room? Guess somebody. I'm gonna count it down. Nobody wants to guess? All right, dog says name it. Snake Eyes, Chad, Dale, Lance, Norco, play to win. Gotta say a player, Dale. Gotta say a player. All right, Dale. Last chance, Dale. Adrian Peterson. Teddy Bridgewater, number 199. Dog said player. I love it. eBay 101. 50 of 50. Nice little patch right there. Hot rookies. Number to 5. Number to 5. Number to 5. Go Jags. TJ Hilton. Number to 5. That goes to the Jags. Which I believe Fluffy has the Jags. I believe. Jamal Charles. Houston. Number to 199 for the Chiefs. Marcus Mariota. Mammoth. Number 99. Number to 199. Nelson Aguilar for the Eagles. Matt Forte Jeffries, number 299. Trey Waynes for the Vikings, number 2. 199. Number 2, 199. Triple threats for the Jets. Bryce Petty, Williams, and Smith. Marcus Mariota. Number to 199. We got full on that one. Tom Brady Gronk, number to 199 for the Patriots. For the Kansas City Chiefs, Peters, number to 199. Down and dirty, number 25. For the Broncos, Emmanuel Sanders. Emmanuel Sanders. For the Cowboys, Dorsett and Emmitt Smith. Antonio Gates for the Chargers, number 49. And number 25, the other variation of TJ Yeldon for the Jags. No Raiders at all. Raiders did not get one hit this whole case.